everyone, I'm Star Master Shirley Chen, Richmond Royal Center Manager. We are so happy and honored that our Richmond Royal Center has been named the best center in Canada in the first month of 2024. I would like to say thank you to Atomy Canada, always give us support. And thank you our partner, always work hard together. This is an honor for all of us at the center. We are so proud of you.
Hi, this is John Wu. We hope to help more friends achieve success in Atomy this year. I hope that in the new year, Richmond Royal Center can make more contributions to our community. We will strive to make 2024 a year where we can work hard and continue this momentum. Thank you.
Aja, aja, aja.